I'll show you a way to get your saw blade off your saw. They have wrenches that take these off, and a lot of times they get lost. Or sometimes even with the wrench you can't get it off. Sometimes you have to dig that blade into the wood and try. Use a pressure wrench. A pneumatic impact driver works. Even a electric impact driver works. But you probably don't have those on the job. But you might have an impact driver. So these are on the job site. So the first thing you want to try is this, especially if it's on there, it won't come off. And then you might want to try a pneumatic impact wrench, or even an electric impact wrench. But this is the first thing I would recommend, because you might even have it. There you go. I took that right off. You can now take off your blade and change it. But it's as easy as that. Put it back on. I guess you can use the same driver. We'll start that by hand. I'm going to say this is probably the easiest way to do it. Okay, there you have it. It's on. The size of this one is 11/16. So, if you want to do this method, not everybody carries sockets. You might want to have a 11/16 in your tools. Also, you're going to need a adapter. Impact the hex to the 3/8 or 1/2 inch, whatever socket you have. But if you can find an old socket that's that size, throw it in your tool bag, and you know you have the right size to change your blade at all times. So it's something you might have to prepare in advance for, but this is an excellent way to do this job.